Right, dogs play. So we're all together now. Molly, why are you attacking the hoover? You turned it on. Took you down. Hey guy. Yes, buttons. Just putting Molly there. Sleeping, just fighting the dogs again, and she turned on the hoover. You probably heard, oh yeah, the hoover did go on. Yeah, she just turned it on suddenly. I turned it off after. Okay. Yeah, but I'm gonna go up with the dogs now because they're playing upstairs. Okay. Buttons. Okay, Molly's sleeping on downstairs, so you dogs can continue playing now.